Hey guys, you want a quick meal and you only have a cup of noodles? Well, look no further. I'm gonna show you what to do today. So I'm gonna make like a stir fry out of these cup of noodles. Um, what I'm gonna do first is just put this hot water that I boiled in the cup of noodles, like so, like that. Get my handy dandy fork, and I might need a little bit more water, so we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna boil a little bit more water, and I'll but while I'm waiting on that, I'm going to put my stir fry that I have, and this is just a California blend. I'm gonna put this in my pot here, medium-sized pot. And what I have in this pot is just a little bit of vegetable oil, and that's it. Like 2 teaspoons, and that is it. And we're gonna let this cook for about 10 minutes covered. And last but not least, we're gonna add some meat into this baby. So I had some Spam stir fry that I kind of made. So what I did was just chop up some Spam, and I added some broccoli, and I kind of made a little bit of a stir fry out of that, and just some salt and pepper. I call it a poor man's stir fry. And so I'm just gonna put that in with our vegetables, and we're gonna have a delicious breakfast, dinner, lunch for 2 people, because this should be enough for 2 people, y'all. All right, let's get started. Go ahead and first I would say put your vegetables in, because the meat is already cooked and everything, so we just want to put our vegetables in first.
Right, y'all, so now that we have our vegetables open, we just want to add our vegetables. Like so. And take our handy dandy fork here and just kind of stir around your vegetables a little bit. Just make sure everything is kind of evened out. And what I'm going to do here is just take a top here. Since I don't have a top, I'm just going to take this bowl here and place it on top of the vegetables. And that's going to be, we're going to keep this on for 10 minutes.
Hey guys, so our vegetables should be done. So let's check out our vegetables. Let's check out our vegetables and see what they look like. Ooh. Now, depending on how you like your vegetables, I would say these are, if you like them a little firmer, or I like mine a little bit softer. So I'm gonna cook it a tad bit more. And I did add some more carrots to them. So while I cook it, I'm just gonna add my meat to let it reheat. And this is gonna be a yummy, yummy meal, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that. Just add in my meat, Spam, and I had Spam and broccoli in there before with just like salt and pepper. Just adding that in there. And I'm gonna put the I'm going to put this plate back on top of it. And now I'm just going to place this hot water into my cup of noodles, y'all. And because I'm going to throw the cup of noodles in here and saute it with the food. So let the noodles cook a little bit. This is going to be delicious, y'all. All right. All right, y'all. So we uncovered the vegetables. Trying to get this into the light. And what I'm going to do is just take the noodles, pour them out, and just kind of mix that all together. And I myself have some sauce that I am going to put on this to make it extra tasty. But if you don't have any sauce, I would say just like some salt, pepper, you know, maybe not too much salt because of the noodles. Always, it gives it a nice salty flavor already. And a little bit of butter I love putting in it. Is the finished product, and it's delicious, trust me. Enjoy, y'all.